Imagine living in a world where sustainability, health and energy independence are not just ideals but are everyday reality. How can we achieve this? The answer lies right beneath our feet. Understanding the Earth's geological resources and processes is crucial to tackling pressing global issues, from climate change to renewable energy. Unveiling and understanding the secrets of the subsurface is the goal of the European Geological Data Infrastructure, or EGDI.
For example, if you're a stakeholder needing to know information about the minerals needed to support the energy transition, or wondering how sustainable the drinking water resources are in Europe, then the EGDI is the place to access that knowledge and answer those questions. There are hundreds of types of information created and curated by expert geoscientists from across Europe. Using the EGDI platform, this information can be combined to identify areas of hotspots or areas of porosity, or downloaded for further combination in your own systems and tools.
The European Geological Data Infrastructure was launched in 2016 by EuroGeoSurveys, a not-for-profit association that brings together geological survey organizations from across Europe. EGDI collects, harmonizes and stores high-quality subsurface data from thousands of experts from 37 national and regional geological surveys across Europe. EGDI currently offers access to more than 800 map layers, along with an extensive collection of documents, images and 3D models. These play a pivotal role in understanding and managing Earth's natural resources and environment.
EGDI is a data and information infrastructure that will help provide the green transition. It contains information about critical raw materials, geothermal energy, carbon capture and storage, groundwater resources and more. It's also possible to find 3D geological models of the subsurface for landslide risk, the fertility of soil and similar topics. Most of the data in EGDI are harmonized at the European level, so it's possible, for instance, to make assessments of the resource potential of the whole European continent.
Accessible to a broad range of users, from students and researchers to policymakers and industry professionals, EGDI offers a centralized hub for pan-European and national geological data, seamlessly accessed through modern e-services at no cost to users. Europe has become increasingly dependent on imports of materials and energy resources, often from unreliable or unsustainable sources. By using the data contained in EGDI, policymakers can find information on European sources of critical raw materials, opportunities for carbon capture and much more. Finding and using domestic supplies considerably reduces geopolitical risk, and at a time of increasing demand on the Earth's resources can reduce the financial and environmental cost of maintaining a much-needed supply. Researchers studying climate change can leverage EGDI's data on European groundwater levels to identify critical quantity of groundwater resources. This can assist in managing the impact of future droughts. Likewise, EGDI's data can identify critical levels of groundwater quality caused by natural and anthropogenic pressures, critical for drinking water supply. Europe-based industries can use EGDI's databases to assess the potential for harnessing Earth's underground heat energy. Implementing highly effective and sustainable geothermal heating and cooling system for their facilities, ultimately reducing cost and greenhouse gas emissions. EGDI brings the subsurface to your fingertips.
As researchers and geoscientists, working with geological data coming from different sources is critical in our daily work. However, the gathering, the filtering, the QC of this data is a time-consuming process. Fortunately, EGDI allows us to interrogate a large amount of quality control information across the entire European databases with a very friendly use platform. With few mouse click, we can therefore make faster and better well-informed decision, saving time and finance.
Going forward, the existing EGDI data infrastructure is being revolutionized, shaping it into a knowledge infrastructure that offers trustworthy data, user-specific practical information, and expert advisory services from across Europe. The enhanced version of EGDI is designed to serve a broader range of end users at all levels who can integrate the wide variety of data and information into their work processes and decision-making. EGDI is poised to become the cornerstone of a sustainable geological service for Europe, and together they will play a pivotal role in supporting the EU's efforts to achieve net zero goals and successfully implement the Green Deal. The impact of the subsurface on our environment and our lives touches every European citizen, and the powerful digital infrastructure that is EGDI will greatly contribute to environmental sustainability and social well-being for everyone in Europe.